Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. In our previous lecture, I have shown you that how will analysis for a T-beam, and I have completed one part of that. So in this video, I'll show you that how will design for a T-beam. So let's start. And if you didn't see that, you can see that the link is given in description. First of all, I'll open our software, and after that I'll go here, open project or recent file. That is our previous model, T-beam analysis and design. So I'll click on it, and here is our previous model. So if we click that, so that is our previous model, and here I have shown you that how will analysis for that. If we go here, FI, here FI MZ, I have shown you that. This is the previous criteria, and in this video I'll show you that how will design that. So to design the T-beam, we have to go here, design. After that, select here concrete, as we are designing for concrete, and from here we have to select current code, and we have to select our code. We'll select ACI 318/2011. okay, after that, here click here, select parameter. So click here, and after that we'll select our parameter. So here we'll select that 3 clear cover. For clear cover, that 3, so click on that, here 3. After that we'll go here, FC compressive strength of concrete, click here, and FY main yield strength of reinforcement. So there is a 5 selected parameters, and they have many parameters. You can also add according to requirement. So press here OK. Sorry, that's 5. Then OK. So after that, we have to click here, define parameters. So from here we have to define parameters. So from here we have to select clear cover. Is it feet? So here clear cover from outmost bottom reinforcement. I mean clear cover for bottom. Here 0.125 feet. You have to provide that value in feet. So I will take it as default. You can change that according to requirement, and you can press, sorry, here you have to press here add. Okay, after that click here clear cover of outmost side reinforcement. For side reinforcement, I'll also select here 0.125 feet. I'm just giving here to learn you. Just you have to select that value according to your design. So a requirement, add here, again city, add here, and if we go FC prime, we have to select for FC prime it's keep per square feet. So we know that compressive strength of concrete, generally we'll find that value from our lab test, and it's generally 3 kips, 2.5 kips, 2 kips. I mean kips per square inch, but here is kip per square feet. So I'll give that value as default 576. You have to calculate that from PSI to KSF, PSI to KSF. Then you have to press that value here. So click here add. After that FY, again I'll select that value as default. You have to find out your value and press your value here. So click here add and close that. After that we have to assign that. So we'll press provide clear cover and FC and FY for FD structure. So click that, select that, and click here assign to view, assign yes. And they have another way. They have three options. You can use any one. So after that we'll select that, assign to view and assign yes. Again select that, assign to view, assign yes. After that click here, assign to view and then assign yes. After that assign to view, assign yes. So you have assigned everything. After that we have to go here, command, and here what we want to design. So here we want to design for beam. We'll select add, and we want to design column, so add, then close that. So after that again you have to select column. For column you have to use beam cursor, then select column and select that, and after assign to selected beam, assign yes. After that click here, design beam. So to design beam, select the beam. Before that you have to click here, beam cursor, select beam and select design beam and assign to selected beams, then assign yes. So here we have defined everything that required for our design, and finally we are ready to design our frame. So we have to again go here, command, loading, analysis, and perform analysis, and here OK. So after that we'll go here, analysis, run analysis and save. So here it's done. It's showing error 0, warning 0 and node 0. So as error are 0, so our structure is okay to design. Then click here, view output file, view output file. So click here, done, and here click here, concrete design. So it's showing every value here, and if we go down we can see the requirement of value here. From here you will find your record steel area or anything that you record. So here for beam, for column, here this is for beam, this is for beam, and if we go down here for column, this is the value for your column. So from here you can see your detailing. Also you can copy that value, you can copy that value if you want, and also you can print here. So I'll close that and I'll see that value in manually. So I'll click on, double click, and you will see that property, loading, and here shear and bending. So it is the bending of column. If we select that, shear, this is the shear, deflection, this is the deflection for our column, and here the concrete design. So here is the design of our column. This is the design section of our column, and it's showing 3.24 inch square reinforcement are required for that. So I'll close that. If we click here, it's also show same value because it's symmetric, and after that we'll click here for our T-beam. So if we click here, so here is the data for our T-beam. If we see here, so from first point to last point is showing that where the reinforcement are required and where are not. So it's showing from 0 point to 18.5 inch distance we required reinforcement in top. So 6 reinforcement, here it's showing 6 reinforcement, and number of 4 bar. Here also it's showing 6 reinforcement, number of 4 bar, and for bottom it's showing 2 bar, number 2 bar at the 6. 2 bar, 6 number 2 bar we record, and from starting to end. And here is the, this is for strap, it's showing that. Number 4 is stirrup at the rate of CC, I mean center to center distance of 10.81 inch. So from first point to last point we have to provide that stirrup. So close that. So in this way you can design your T-beam so that are required for your design criteria. And if you also have any confusion or problem, then you can comment me below. I'll try to give you the answer how much I know. And in our next video I'll show you that how we'll design for a curved beam and design and analysis for a curved beam. So stay connected till next video. And if you think that this video is helpful for you, then just press the like button so that I can understand that is really helpful for you, and you can comment me. So thank you.